I've run out of words, I've tried to scream, but no one's heard. Laughter's a mask that's starting to fray. I've hid it too well, there's no other way. The weight of this pain is buried so deep. I smile through the day, but I can't find sleep. Why should I confide in a stranger's ear? The kind words won't silence the fear. I'm just another person lost in the fight, hiding my scars in the dead of the night. You see my face, but not my war. I'm screaming inside, can't take anymore. So check on your people, the strong and the weak. The silence they carry may be too bleak. A crisis line feels like a hollow reply. How can a stranger tell me why I should try? Family photos on the mantle stay still, but they haunt me more than they ever will heal. I've studied the signs, I know them by heart, but somehow I miss my own falling apart. I hide in the crowd, a ghost in disguise, but this mask, just another person lost in the fight, hiding my scars in the dead of the night. You see my face, but not my war. I'm screaming inside, can't take anymore. So check on your people, the strong and the weak. The silence they carry may be too bleak. A crisis line feels like a hollow reply. How can a stranger tell me why I should try? Family photos on the mantle stay still, but they haunt me more